Hi, everyone, welcome to my channel, where I review the latest and greatest motorcycles. Today, I have a very special bike to show you, the 2024 Ducati Hypermotard 698. This is a new model that is the first Ducati in nearly 30 years to feature a single-cylinder engine, called the Superquadro Mono. This engine is derived from one cylinder of the Superquadro V twin found in the 1299 Panigale. Let's take a closer look at what makes this bike so amazing. First of all, the engine. The Hypermotard 698 is powered by the Superquadro Mono, a 659cc single with a claimed max power of 77.5 horsepower at 9,750 revolutions per minute and 46.5 lb featuring of torque at 8,000 revolutions per minute. It also has a dry clutch and desmodromic timing, which give it a distinctive Ducati sound and feel. The engine is paired with a 6-speed gearbox and a quickshifter, which allow for smooth and fast shifting. The Hypermotard 698 also has a state-of-the-art electronics package, which includes a 6.5-inch TFT dashboard, a Ducati Connect system, a front and rear radar, and a host of riding modes and aids. The bike also has a full LED lighting system, a keyless ignition, and a Bluetooth helmet intercom. The Hypermotard 698 is not only powerful, but also lightweight and compact. It has a steel trellis frame that weighs only 16 pounds and a double-sided swingarm that adds stability and agility. It also has a tall and flat seat, a high front mudguard, and a sharp tail section, which give it a racing aesthetic. The bike also comes in two versions, the standard one in Ducati red, and the RVE one in graffiti graphics with black and red accents. The Hypermotard 698 is designed to handle any road condition, thanks to its fully adjustable suspension, Brembo brakes, and Pirelli tires. It has a 35.6-inch seat height and a 22-liter fuel tank, which give it a range of over 300 kilometers. It also has a cruise control and a power launch, which make it easy and fun to ride. The Hypermotard 698 is a bike that offers a unique and exhilarating riding experience. It is the perfect blend of single-cylinder performance and supermoto style, of racing and adventure, of power and lightness. It is a bike that lets you have it all. If you want to know more about this bike, you can visit the Ducati website or contact your nearest dealer. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time.